but just being in that setting and being in that atmosphere, you're able to take a lot away from it. I know I did. I'm sure he did as well. And you could use things like that in your game. You can just use that experience and how you rose to the challenge and raise your game to another level. All that plays into it, and you're seeing that here in the playoffs now. He's risen his game to a whole new level, and he's kind of taking the team on his back offensively.
Richards drawing the inevitable comparisons to the great Bobby Clark. You see the numbers there. They are fairly similar. The question is, can Richards also lead the Flyers to a Stanley Cup? That is the big question, isn't it? We're back after this, but right now we check in again with the Daily Line.
Thanks, Bill. We've got another nail-biter here, and it's 2-2-10. What does Philly need to do to pull this one out?
Well, first off, it continues to be a high-octane game. Michael Leighton has to be better than the end of the third.
All right, we'll have Ken and Jeremy Roenick back with us for a full Game 3 breakdown right after Hockey Central. But right now, check us out at Versus.com, where Jen is webcasting live.
Great. Now look what you've done. Hoping not to drive so.
For drivers who want to get the most out of their cars, it's Bridgestone or nothing.
I went into one of those dollar stores the other day to buy a pencil, and guess how much it cost? $2. Not no math, Liz, but it seems to me the money doesn't go as far as it used to. With Denny's new 2, 4, 6, 8 value menu, you can get 16 different meals for $2, 4, 6, and $8 any time of day.
Right now, all over the country, Discover customers are getting 5% cashback bonus at restaurants.
Back we go.
It pays to Discover.
Done.
That's the thing that keeps you awake at night. All the different things that take
What? No, let's go over there.
The lowest price from your home phone service? Take the Cox Home Phone Challenge.